find out if jewelry is gold-plated, K-gold, or pure gold. Whether grams of gold in gold-plated jewelry are exaggerated or not. Cutting and melting damage the appearance. Si-fan's instrument applies a precious metal analyzer XRF-K5 to test. Put the sample in the central area. Close the sample chamber. Press the button to test. CFAN's XRF spectrometers adopt the Smart FPS algorithm. It can be determined within seconds whether it's gold-plated. When the gold plating thickness is less than 45 micrometers, silver atoms can be detected. The EC algorithm will mistake the gold-plated as the K-gold and gave a wrong result. CFAN's Smart FP algorithm has the advantage of being able to distinguish between the gold-plated and K-gold by analyzing differences between the measured spectrum and simulated spectrum.